So today I will show you how to do text maxing. It's basically animation you can do if you have Apple laptop. Basically, if you have keynotes. So basically, without wasting time, let's open the keynotes. So I'm going to choose a theme, and you make sure it is chosen as white. So you can change it to standard or white, but normally for us we can do it white so that we can use it in videos. So as you see, I had choose it white, then I do create. So then after creating, we'll delete this, then we make sure. So now we need to make sure that the text, they're basically fitting to the whole screen. So what you do, you can extend this, then what you can do, you can extend it also here. Okay, then after you need to make this text as centered. So for this we align it, then align to the text to the center. So now for text masking, basically what I do, my preferred theme I use normally is impact, because it looks good in the green screen. So because we are going to use it as a green screen effect, so I will prefer to choose my color, which is basically I will choose green. Okay, choose green. Okay, so now I need to make it in two line. So I'll do enter. Then I need to extend my pixel of my text, which is here. Now if you want, you can also reduce the space in between, so which is basically what I can do. I can reduce or increase the text. Okay, so now I'm here. This is basically text mask. So now what do you need to do? We need to apply some animation on it. So as you can see on the corner, there is something written animate. So in animate there is three parts: build in, action, and build out. So build in mean basically how your text will be coming up. So when you choose add an effect in build in, there are many effects, but normally I use source, but you can use whatever you feel. So as you can see this, I normally use source, and I want my video introduction should be like around maybe 12 second, 10 seconds. So I'm just going to put it here 4 seconds first, then I'll go to action again, then I add an effect. So in the effect you can choose any, but normally I use pop-up, which I will choose pop-up for my video. Also I'm going to put them 4 seconds. Then I will do the build out. In the build out I can also add an effect. So most of the times I use skid. You can use other animations like bounce. You can use maybe flames, whatever you feel like according to a theme. So I will choose skid. Okay, so now we have build in, action, then build out. So basically how the animation will come to the screen, then how it will show its animation, then how it will go away from the screen. So now we need to choose the build order. So if you can see, the first is build in, which is source, the action, which is pop, the build out, it's skid. So now it is showing that it will start on click. but I don't want to start on click. I want to run it automatic. So first what I need to do, I need to select all. Then I choose after previous build. So basically it will run at a time without a click. So after step 1, step 2, step 3. So now we can do preview. As you can see, we can play it again here. You can see how it is coming. Then it will disappear. So now we need to make sure that we are using this green screen effect in one of our video, right? So I have a video content is rainy season. So let me create a rainy season. But you can write whatever you feel like. For my video purpose, I'm just adding it. So I just do rainy season. So now we need to export. So now I have to export this as a movie. When I do export as a movie, then you can see there is 720p 10. I'll choose 1080p. So there is playback, self-playing slides, go to next slide, go to next build. So because we didn't apply, you see here we didn't have any time, so that's fine. It will not apply the build and build out. So what we do, we save. So now I will save this as rainy season. I do export. So now after exporting the animation, you make sure you open the iMovie built-in application for MacBook. So you open iMovie. Then after you open, you can see there is something import media. So for me, I have already a video which I'm going to use it for this tutorial purpose. So I'll import it. Then also I will import the rainy season animation I had created. So now when I have all my assets, so I'm going to create my animation with my video. So now my animation is here. So in my animation, now I'm going to apply the green screen. Make sure you choose here. Then when you apply the green screen, it will automatic. You can see it will automatic start applying the green screen effect. You can see now, and slowly it will skid. So now you can adjust accordingly. So how, like sometimes there is some black screen after it. So what you can do to avoid this, you can just split it. So you can reduce the length, or you can trim it. So now also from the starting, to reduce the time, you can also trim it. So now when you trim, also what you can do, you can also trim your video to have it in the same length. So now as you can see the video, so let's increase the video a bit, just for you guys to see like how the animation will be working. Okay, though we didn't see the skid is because we had reduced a lot. Let's also keep the skid a bit. Okay, so now we increase the video length, then you play. Then when you play, you can see the animation, how it's looking beautiful. Then after, it will bring the video. So Thanks, guys. So today this is for test masking using Apple Keynote. So if this video is helpful, please let me know, or if I can improve it, let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.